The American dream awaits. Become a nurse in the USA, no NCLEX or IELTS required. Hello and welcome to my GK Health Passport. Today I've got some game-changing news for nurses dreaming of moving to the USA. Are you ready for this? You can actually secure a nursing job in the USA without taking a NCLEX or IELTS. Yes, you heard that right. It's possible. And I'm going to break down everything you need to know in this video. We're talking about proven pathways, insider tips, and even a special pro tip at the end that can fast-track your journey to becoming a nurse in the USA. So, if you're ready to ditch those exam worries and start living your American dream, stick with me until the end. This video is your roadmap to success. Let's get started. The traditional pathway NCLEX and IELTS. Let's first understand the traditional route to becoming a licensed nurse in the USA. Nurses must pass the NCLEX, the National Council Licensure Examination. This exam tests your nursing knowledge and skills. You'll also need to demonstrate English proficiency, usually through the IELTS. These requirements are standard across most states. Don't let these requirements discourage you. The alternative pathway, your ticket to the USA. Now let's talk about why you're really here. The alternative pathway to working as a nurse in the USA without NCLEX or IELTS. You see, the USA is facing a significant shortage of nurses, and some states and programs are eager to welcome qualified foreign nurses to fill these crucial roles. This high demand has paved the way for alternative pathways and temporary work permits that allow you to gain valuable experience in the US healthcare system while you work towards meeting the full licensing requirements. These pathways are like a win-win situation. You get to start your dream career in the USA sooner, and the healthcare system benefits from your skills and expertise. Now, you might be wondering what these alternative pathways look like. Well, there are several options available, and I'm going to break them down for you step by step in the upcoming chapters. We'll explore everything from specialized visa programs to opportunities in rural hospitals and partnerships with reputable healthcare agencies. So, get ready to discover the path that best suits your qualifications and aspirations. Your American nursing journey starts now. Why is this possible? The nursing demand explained. You might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. The USA needs nurses, urgently, driven by an aging population, an increase in chronic diseases, and a wave of retiring nurses. This shortage has created a huge demand for qualified nurses. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some numbers. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of registered nurses is projected to grow by 9% from 2020 to 2030. This translates to over 194,500 job openings each year. These figures highlight the immense need for nurses in the USA. There's no better time than now to pursue it. Chapter 4, H-1B Visa, your gateway to specialized nursing roles. Now let's delve into some specific pathways you can explore. If you have a specialized nursing degree or advanced skills, the H-1B visa might be your ticket to the USA. The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows US employers to temporarily employ foreign workers in specialty occupations. For nurses, this means you can apply for roles like clinical nurse specialists, nurse educators, nurse researchers, or other positions that require your unique expertise. The best part is that these specialized roles sometimes don't require immediate licensing in the state where you'll be working. However, it's important to note that the H-1B visa does require you to have at least a bachelor's degree, or its equivalent in a related field. The application process for the H-1B visa can be quite complex, so it's crucial to start early and seek guidance from an experienced immigration attorney. They can help you navigate the process smoothly and increase your chances of securing this highly sought-after visa. Remember, the H-1B visa is a fantastic option for nurses with specialized skills who are eager to kickstart their careers in the USA. Chapter 5. Start strong nursing assistant and unlicensed nurse roles. Don't worry if you haven't taken the NCLEX yet. There are still fantastic opportunities waiting for you in the USA. Some states allow foreign nurses to start working as nursing assistants or unlicensed nurses while they prepare for their licensing exams. This is a great way to gain practical experience in the US healthcare setting, familiarize yourself with the system, and even earn an income while you study for the NCLEX. States like California and New York are known for being more open to this pathway, but it's essential to research the specific requirements of the state you're interested in. Working as a nursing assistant or unlicensed nurse allows you to build a strong foundation in U.S. nursing practices, connect with experienced nurses, and potentially secure a permanent position once you obtain your license. It's a stepping stone that can lead you to your ultimate goal of becoming a licensed registered nurse in the USA. So don't underestimate the value of these roles. They can provide you with invaluable experience and make your transition to becoming a licensed nurse much smoother. Chapter 6. Rural Hospital Programs, Your Chance to Shine and Grow. Here's another incredible opportunity you won't want to miss: rural hospital programs. Due to the severe nursing shortage, particularly in rural areas, many hospitals across the USA have developed special programs to attract and support foreign nurses. These programs often come with a conditional job offer, meaning you'll have a nursing position waiting for you once you arrive in the USA. Rural hospitals are eager to welcome skilled nurses like you and provide the necessary support to help you succeed. They understand the challenges foreign nurses face and are committed to making your transition as smooth as possible. Many rural hospitals offer on-site training programs to help you adapt to the U.S. healthcare system and prepare for the NCLEX and IELTS exams. They might also provide financial assistance for your exams, visa fees, and even relocation expenses. Working in a rural hospital can be incredibly rewarding. You'll have the chance to make a real difference in the lives of patients who need it most, become a valued member of a close-knit community, and gain a wealth of experience in a supportive environment. Chapter 7. Navigating the path to becoming a nurse in the USA can seem daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. Reputable healthcare agencies like Payton International are here to guide and support you every step of the way. Payton International is a leading healthcare staffing agency that specializes in placing foreign nurses in healthcare facilities across the USA. They have a proven track record of helping nurses like you achieve their American dream and build successful careers in the US healthcare system. One of the biggest advantages of partnering with Payton International is their comprehensive support system. They assist with everything from visa processing and job placement to NCLEX preparation and licensing requirements. They work closely with you to understand your skills, experience, and career goals, ensuring you find the perfect nursing role that aligns with your aspirations. Payton International also provides ongoing support throughout your time in the USA, addressing any concerns you might have and helping you adjust to your new life and career. If you're looking for a reliable partner to guide you through the entire process, Payton International is an excellent option to consider. Chapter 8. Avant Healthcare Professionals, Your Bridge to US Nursing Excellence. Another fantastic resource for internationally educated nurses is Avant Healthcare Professionals. Avant Healthcare Professionals is a renowned staffing agency that focuses on recruiting qualified nurses from around the world, particularly those who haven't yet passed the NCLEX. They understand that passing the NCLEX can be a significant hurdle for many foreign nurses, and they're committed to providing the necessary support and resources to help you succeed. Avant Healthcare Professionals offers a range of services, including NCLEX review courses, exam application assistance, and job placement in various healthcare settings across the USA. They work closely with hospitals and other healthcare facilities to identify suitable positions for foreign nurses and ensure a smooth transition into the US healthcare system. One of the key advantages of choosing Avant Healthcare Professionals is their dedication to your professional development. They offer continuing education opportunities, mentorship programs, and career guidance to help you advance in your nursing career and reach your full potential. If you're looking for an agency that prioritizes your growth and provides comprehensive support, Avant Healthcare Professionals is an excellent choice. Chapter 9. Worldwide Health Staff Solutions, Your Pathway to Rural Nursing Success. For nurses who are passionate about serving underserved communities, Worldwide Health Staff Solutions offers a unique and rewarding pathway to a nursing career in the USA. Worldwide Health Staff Solutions specializes in placing nurses in rural hospitals across the country, addressing the critical need for healthcare professionals in these areas. They understand the challenges and rewards of rural nursing and are dedicated to supporting nurses who choose this path. What sets Worldwide Health Staff Solutions apart is their commitment to sponsoring your entire NCLEX journey. They provide financial assistance for exam fees, travel expenses, and other costs associated with obtaining your U.S. nursing license. They also offer comprehensive support throughout the process, from NCLEX preparation and application assistance to job placement and ongoing career guidance. Working with Worldwide Health Staff Solutions is an opportunity to make a real difference in the lives of patients in underserved communities while advancing your nursing career and achieving your American dream. If you're drawn to the idea of rural nursing and want a supportive partner to guide you, Worldwide Health Staff Solutions is an excellent option to explore. Chapter 10. Pro tip: unlock your potential with temporary permits, TP. Now for the pro tip, I promised I want to share a game-changing tip that can fast-track your nursing journey in the USA temporary permits, TP. Some states offer temporary permits, TP, to qualified foreign nurses who haven't yet passed the NCLEX. These permits allow you to practice as a nurse for a limited time, usually up to 6 months, while you prepare for your licensing exam. This is an incredible opportunity to gain valuable experience in the US healthcare system, earn an income, and demonstrate your skills to potential employers. It's like a trial run that can give you a significant advantage when applying for permanent nursing positions. To find out if your desired state offers temporary permits, visit the website of the state's Board of Nursing. They'll have all the information you need regarding eligibility criteria, application procedures, and any specific requirements you need to meet. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to get a head start on your US nursing career. And that's it. Your complete guide to landing a nursing job in the USA without NCLEX or IELTS. Remember, these opportunities might not be permanent, but they're a fantastic way to get your foot in the door and start your dream career. The demand for nurses in the USA is higher than ever, creating a wealth of opportunities for skilled and compassionate nurses like you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my GK Health Passport. Sharing is caring, so spread the word and help your fellow nurses achieve their American dream too. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll personally answer them. See you in the next video.